Hi everybody, today I will show you how to use judge.me in Shopify. Okay, so let's just begin. So first of all, you have to log in into your Shopify store, and as you can see that we are in the dashboard of the Shopify store. Okay, so the first of all, we have to know that what is the judge.me in the Shopify. So judge.me is basically the app in the Shopify that we use to add the functionality of the customer's review on our product page. Okay, so how can we install this? That is really easy. All you need to do is to click on the search here, and you have to search for the judge.me here. So as you can see that we have the judge.me. So I want to search this in the Shopify app store. So let's click here. Okay, so as you can see that in the search result, we have the three judge.me. So we have the product reviews, we have the AliExpress reviews, and we have the checkout comments. Actually, we want to add the product reviews to our product page. So we will actually go with this first option, judge.me product reviews. Okay, so let's click here, and it does have the free plan available. Okay, so let's just learn more about the judge.me here. So it actually collects and displays the product reviews and the star rating. So what do we get by installing this? So we can get the unlimited email reviews requests with the photo and the video, and we can actually display the star rating, store and the product reviews as well, and we can share the reviews on the Facebook and the Instagram and the Twitter, and we can engage our reviewer with Q&A, and in last we can actually syndicate the product reviews automatically with the shop app. Alright, so in the pricing we have the two packages. The first one is the forever free, and the second one is actually the awesome. So in the forever free you will get the reviews request unlimited, you will get the photos and the videos, we have the carousel themes, we have the in-email reviews, and you can also see the other options here. And in the awesome option, you have to pay $15 per month, and you will get the site reviews, all reviews page, Q&A, and we can also get the custom forms, and you can also see the other options here. All right, so now let's just go back to the top of the page, and from here we have to install the judge.me product reviews. Okay, so we have to install the app from here. So click on the install app. Okay, so now we have to do the setup for the installation. All right, so the language would be the English, and I would actually go with the current theme. So let's click on the start setup. All right, so we have to enable the app embedded for the reviews to show up properly. So I will enable the app embedded from here. Okay, so when you click on the app embedded, you will be redirected on the product page, and from here you have to enable this option, the core snippets. So that is actually activated. So we have to click on the save from here. All right, so now we have to go back to our judge.me page here, and let's click on the next step. And now what we need to do, we have to install the review widget here. So that is actually the second step of the judge.me installation. Okay, so when you click on the install review widget, you will be directed on this page of the product page of our Shopify store. Then you can see that in the apps, the review widget is already installed. But if it has not installed yet, all you need to do is to click on the add section, and in the section you can see the apps. So from here you can simply add the review widget here. All right, so that is it. All right, so now what we need to do, we have to click on the save here, and let's just go back to our dashboard. Now we have to click on the next step, and we also have to install the preview page. So let's click on the preview page. So it would be installed in the similar way just like the review widget, but if it is not automatically added, all you need to do is to click on the add section, and from here you can simply add the preview page. Okay, so now what we need to do, we have to click on the save again, and we have to go back to our dashboard, and let's just click on the finish. And now you can see that judge.me product review is installed on our Shopify store, and you can see the dashboard of the judge.me. So we have the install review widget, we have the customize review widget option, and we have the option to import the existing reviews, and we can also discover what else we can do here. Okay, so we have the statistics here, and you can also see the manage review option, the request status option, the email template settings, and the plan. Okay, so now let's just have a look at our store, and from here I want to see the product page, that whether our customer reviews is added or not. So as you can see that we have added the customer reviews here. So right now we don't have any customer review here, but you can simply add the review if you want to. So I just want to add the review here. So let's click on the write a review, and let's just write down best shared, and you can add the comments if you want to. So I will write down blah blah blah. Okay, so I can also add the picture and the video to my review, but that is optional. And I can also write down the name here. So I will simply write down my name, and I have to write down the email here. Okay, so I have added the email. So now I can simply submit my review here, and the review is submitted. But the thing is, it won't be automatically added on the product page because it has to go for the review first to the seller. So if I go back here and click on the manage reviews, you will be able to see the reviews request here. So you can see that this is the request that I have added right now, best shared, and we have the description, we have the name of the user that have written the review about the share. So if I want to publish this, I can simply publish this from here, and if I want to hide this, I can also hide this from here. And we also have the other options here in the actions. So I can reply this, and I can also feature this, and I can also pin this and share this review. And in the more actions, we have the archive, edit review, and the view more. But right now I just simply click on the publish. Okay, so the review is published. So I have to go back to my store here, and I will simply refresh the page, and you will be able to see the review here, the customer review on my product page. So this is how you can add the customer review using the judge.me. Okay, so let's just explore the other options of judge.me product reviews. So we also have the request status. So in the request status, we actually don't have anything right now. And we also have the email templates. So in the email templates, as you can see that we have the email templates, we have the custom forms, that is actually the part of awesome plan, which is actually paid. And we also have the A/B testing. Okay, so let's click on the email templates. So why do we need to use the email templates? So we can simply use the email templates such that, like, if we completed the order, we can simply email the customer that we have fulfilled your order from our store. If you like to give us the review on our product, or if you want to talk about this, you can simply send us the rating and the review title and the review, as you can see here in the email template. So if I just click here, that would be the active email template. So we also have the other default email templates. So we have the single review email templates, we have the multi review email template, and the picture first email template, and the full HTML email template. So right now, as you can see that we have actually custom email template, that is actually the part of awesome plan, which is paid. So from here you can edit the template, and if you want to send the sample email, you can simply do it from here. And if you want to clone the template, you can do it from here, and you can also delete the template if you want. All right, so now we'll simply go inside the settings. So in the settings, we actually have the timing and the format, we have the conditions, we have the email templates, we have the admin notifications, and we have the push all, and we have the SMS request. So in the timing and the format, we have the email info, from where we can send the reviews request from. So the sender name, and we have the sender email. You can add the custom email here if you want. And we also have the widgets and the email. So in the widgets and the email, you can actually choose the language that I'm using, and you can also go with the multi-store language if you want to. And we also have the request timing. So that would actually send the review request for maximum 3 products in an order. We have the domestic country, and we also have the request a review product order, that is the part of awesome plan. And we also have the automatic reminder. So let's click on the conditions. So in the condition, you can enable the request if you want to. You can add the emails into the block list if you want to. And the block list automation by tag is actually the part of awesome plan. And we have the enable conditions. So from here, you can actually enable the email campaign type, and you can also send the reviews request for out of store products. So after that, we have the email templates. So in the email templates, you can actually check and activate your email templates from here. So we have the email logo URL if you want to add. So we also have the email tone of voice. So that is actually part of the paid plan. So in the tone of the voice, it could be the friendly, direct, and the elegant. And we also have the multi-language email, and we have the custom forms. So let's click on the admin notifications. So in the admin notification, you can see that judge.me can also keep you the admin updated. Okay, so that is actually the email of the admin. So we have this review notification, and you can also see the negative reviews that will receive the notification at the admin email. And you can also have the question notification, and we have the monitor. And after that, we have the push all. So we have to install the push all, and we have to integrate this to enable this. So in the last, we have the SMS request. So in the SMS request, you will actually get the SMS review request template. You will also get the SMS review request setting. So both of these options are actually the part of paid plan. So you can also see the other emails here. So in the other emails, we have the reply to review email. We have the review confirmation email, coupon email, and the media reminder email, and the QA notification email. And we also have the review widget. So from here, you can actually customize your review widget. You can see that we can add the different widget color. So we have the widget header, we have the widget body, and we have the widget form, and we have the widget preview, and we have the widget creation, installation, and the widget theme. Okay, so let's click on the widget themes. Okay, so the widget themes is actually the part of paid plan. So now let's click on the other widgets here. So you can also explore the other widgets here if you want to. So we have the preview page, we have the reviews carousel, we have the medals, and you can also see the other options here. And you can see the social media options where we have the Facebook and the Instagram and the Twitter. And we have the rewards, we have the integrations, and in the last we have the advanced settings that you can explore by yourself. And in the last, we have the plan. So we have already discussed the plan, that we have the two different plans. The first one is actually the free plan that is I'm using right now, and the second one is the recommended, which is the awesome. So that is actually the paid plan, $15 per month. Okay, so this is how we can use the judge.me product reviews for our Shopify store to add the customer reviews on our product page. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.